When choosing between two popular platforms, it's essential to consider your individual needs as an investor. The first platform is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy and sell crypto, offering over 350 different cryptocurrencies. In contrast, the second platform is a more general trading platform focused on stocks and ETFs, but also allows for cryptocurrency investment. If you're interested in investing in stocks, ETFs, currency trading, or commodities, in addition to crypto, the second platform is the better choice. However, if you're only looking to trade crypto, the first platform may be more suitable due to its lower fees, although the second platform is generally easier to use. For beginners, the second platform is recommended for its simplicity, while experienced traders who only want to trade crypto may prefer the first platform. It's crucial to note that the first platform has geographical restrictions, operating in over 100 countries, and it's essential to check if your country is supported before creating an account. The second platform is also supported in numerous countries, making it a viable option for those who want an easier platform or to trade stocks and ETFs. The trading process on the second platform is straightforward, allowing users to buy and trade cryptocurrencies with ease, although it lacks certain features like stop loss or take profit on every cryptocurrency. Additionally, the number of listed cryptocurrencies on the second platform is lower than on the first platform, with around 106 options available. Ultimately, the choice between the two platforms depends on your primary focus. If it's crypto trading and you're willing to learn the platform, the first option may be better. But if you prefer a more diversified range of investment options and an easier platform, the second option is more suitable.